कुंदाचे साहस. पावसाळ्याचे दिवस होते. झाडे, शेते सर्वच हिरवीगार झाली होती. सर्वत्र प्रसन्न वातावरण होते. गावातल्या सोना नदीला भरपूर पाणी आले होते. पावसामुळे नदीचा प्रवाह वाढत होता. इट वॉज रेनी सीझन अँड द trees, the farms, everywhere there was a blanket of greenery, a green blanket that had spread across, and wherever you looked it was all pleasant and nice and beautiful. The village river by the name of Sona had got lots and lots of water, and because of the rains the speed of the river water was also increasing. आज रविवार. कुंदाच्या शाळेला सुट्टी होती. सुट्टीचा दिवस असल्यामुळे कुंदा आणि तिच्या मैत्रिणी नदीच्या काठावर खेळायला गेल्या होत्या. कुंदा वयाच्या 8व्या वर्षीच पोहायला शिकली होती. पाहता पाहता ती पट्टीची जलतरणपटू बनली होती. नदी काठच्या कडुनिंबाच्या मोठ्या झाडाखाली सगळ्या मैत्रिणी हसत बागडत खेळत होत्या. दूरवर शेतात शेतकरी व काही बायका कामात मग्न होत्या. सो इट वॉज अ संडे अँड कुंदा स्कूल हॅड अ हॉलिडे. सो ऑन दिस पर्टिक्युलर हॉलिडे कुंदा अलॉंग विथ हर फ्रेंड्स had gathered on the river bank to play. Kunda had learned swimming at the age of 8 and she had become an expert swimmer. They were all gathered below the neem tree and they were playing and they were enjoying themselves. Not far away from them, the farmers along with some ladies were busy working. खेळता खेळता लहानगी रजिया व नीला नदीकडे केव्हा गेल्या ते कळलेच नाही. इकडे कुंदा व तिच्या मैत्रिणी खेळण्यात दंग होत्या. एवढ्यात नीलाचा मोठमोठ्याने रडण्याचा व ओरडण्याचा आवाज आला. धावा धावा, लवकर या, रजिया पाण्यात पडली, कुणीतरी वाचवा हो. ही हाक कुंदाच्या कानावर पडल्याबरोबर ती धावतच नदीकिनारी पोहोचली. सो while playing, no one realized that when the small girls by the name of Razia and Neela, when they went towards the river, and here the other big kids along with Kunda were playing happily. They were not at all in they didn't know at all that the small kids had drifted away. And suddenly Neela started screaming and saying that run, run, Razia has fallen into the water and somebody should run and save her. The moment Kunda heard this, she made a dash towards the river bank. आजूबाजूचे लोक आवाज ऐकून नदीकडे धावू लागले. मुलींचा गलका वाढला होता. कुंदा धावत येऊन काठावर क्षणभर उभी राहिली. रजिया पाण्यात गटांगळ्या खात पाण्याच्या प्रवाहाबरोबर पुढे पुढे वाहत चालली होती. सो all the other people who were working around in the farms and around the river also started running towards the river bank, and the girls group had started making a lot of ruckus, lot of noise. Kunda also ran. She waited only for a split second at the river bank and she saw that Razia was getting drifted away with the speed or the current of the river. कुंदाने क्षणात नदीच्या पात्रात उडी घेतली व सरसर पोहत रजियाच्या दिशेने निघाली. तोवर आजूबाजूचे लोक जमा झाले. अरे रे, रजिया बुडते आहे, एवढीशी कुंदा तिला कशी वाचवणार? लोक जोर जोरात ओरडत होते. कुंदा, पाण्याचा वेग वाढतो आहे, माघारी फिर. जमलेली माणसे ओरडत होती. कुंदाला फक्त रजिया दिसत होती. कसेही करून तिला वाचवायचे एवढाच विचार तिच्या मनात होता. कोणाचेही शब्द तिच्या कानावर पडत नव्हते. भरभर पोहत कुंदा रजियाजवळ पोहोचली. रजिया घाबरली होती. तिच्या नाकातोंडात पाणी गेले होते. रजिया घाबरू नको, मी आले आहे. आता फक्त माझ्या दंडाला घट्ट धर. मीन्स कुंदा waited only for a split second and then she jumped into the river and she started swimming towards Razia with super speed. All the other people who had gathered at the river bank, they were also screaming and shouting that Razia is drowning, and they were also wondering that how the little Kunda would ever be able to save Razia. So they were screaming for Kunda to turn back, and because they were saying that the current of the river would sweep her away too. But Kunda was so focused on Razia. She could see only Razia. She could hear only what Razia where Razia was. And she had only one intention, and that was to go towards Razia and try and save her. She could not hear anything else. So she swam with good amount of speed and reached Razia. Razia was very scared. She had water in her mouth and nose, and she was crying for help. Now Kunda told Razia that don't get scared at all. I have come. Just do what I am telling you to do. Hold on to my arm tightly. कुंदाने रजियाला काठाकडे आणले. तोवर लोकांनी मोठा दोर पाण्यात सोडला होता. कुंदाने त्याला धरले. सर्वांनी या दोघींना बाहेर काढले. ही बातमी गावभर पसरली. सो कुंदा swam back to the bank with Razia clinging to her arm. Till that time, the gathered people had put in a big rope in the water. So Kunda held on to the rope and swam towards the bank, and the gathered crowd pulled both of them towards safety on the bank. And this news of whatever had happened at the river bank quickly spread in the entire village. ही बातमी रजियाच्या घरीही पोचली. तिची आई धावत आली. त्या दोघी सुखरूप पाहून तिने दोघींना घट्ट कवटाळले. तिच्या डोळ्यातून आनंदाश्रू वाहू लागले. कुंदा, आज तुझ्यामुळेच माझ्या रजियाचा जीव वाचला. केवढी धाडसी मुलगी आहेस तू. And the news of whatever had transpired at the river bank reached even Razia's house, and her mother came running towards the river bank. And when she saw that both the girls were safe, she went and hugged them. She started crying, and those tears were happy tears, tears of relief. And she then told Razia, Kunda, that it's only because of you that my daughter Razia is safe, and you are a very courageous girl. रजियाने कुंदाला मिठी मारली. तोवर कुंदाचे आई बाबा आले होते. कौतुकाने व अभिमानाने त्यांनी मुलीला जवळ घेतले. आज साऱ्या गावात कुंदाच्या साहसाचीच चर्चा होती. साऱ्यांच्या कौतुकाच्या वर्षावाने कुंदा आनंदून गेली होती. So even Kunda's parents came, and till that time Kunda gave a nice big hug to Razia. Kunda's parents were totally choked with emotions, and they were so proud of their daughter that they hugged her with a lot of pride. And all across the village, everybody was only talking about the courage that little Kunda had shown to save Razia, without even thinking twice about her own life and her own safety. And because of everybody's praise, and because of everybody praising her, telling her that how proud they are of her, and telling her that how courageous she was and how selfless she behaved, Kunda was very, very happy because of all that. You have शब्दार्थ. पट्टीची जलतरणपटू, पोहण्यात एकदम तरबेज असलेली, मग्न दंग असणे, गुंग असणे, गलका वाढणे, आवाज वाढणे, गटांगळ्या खाणे, पाण्यात वर खाली होण्याची क्रिया. माघारी मागे. सुखरूप सुरक्षित. कवटाळणे मिठी मारणे. सो पट्टीची जलतरणपटू एक्सपर्ट स्विमर. मग्न दंग टू बी लॉस्ट इन सम ॲक्टिव्हिटी. गलका वाढणे increase of the commotion, sound of the commotion. गटांगळ्या खाणे to be tossing up and down in the water, almost about to drown kinds. माघारी behind. सुखरूप safe. कवटाळणे to hug.